Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome to another vlog. How is everybody? How's my YouTube family doing? I'm starting my day off. It's Tuesday today. Because I work the weekend, I've got not a full day off, but I'm working in the evening. I've got majority of the day off today. I've just had a simple breakfast as usual, avocado, egg, toast and a cup of tea. It's very hot today guys. It's a Tuesday and it's very hot in the UK at the moment. Another heat wave. Tomorrow's going to be even more hotter. I'm off like today obviously as I said, and I'm off tomorrow the full day tomorrow. So I'm just vacuuming at the moment. I'm going to put the laundry on, just do the house chores because I couldn't do much on the weekend. I was working and I'm just going to just carry on with my day, just with my normal house chores. I'm not going out in the daytime today because it's very hot and plus I'm working in the evening, so I'm just going to get out in the evening. So you can follow me around today and see what I'm up to guys. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Give it a like and a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. But yeah, I'll see you guys a bit later. The temperature in my house at the moment, I'll update you later guys. Let's see how hot this house gets because it's a newly built as well, so it's got a lot of insulation, so yeah, it's gonna get hot. Guys, just made lunch now. I just want to make something simple just in the air fryer because it's too hot to stand up the cooker. So I just did my chicken wings. I've done it loads of times before, so you guys know how I've done them. Just put them in the air fryer, some salad with it, and I'm just gonna have my lunch now, relax for a bit. I've done all the housework and it's still quite sunny outside guys. It's really hot and I'm gonna basically go to work in about an hour's time, and then when I come back I need to water all the plants outside, front and the back, and I might just go for a walk when the sun's down slightly, just for some breeze later when I get back, just to get some steps in. But yeah, that's my plan so far guys. Guys, it's 30 in my house now. 30 what? That is so hot. That is so hot, guys. Outside there's not even like a leaf moving at all because it's that hot and quite humid outside right now. Really, really humid, guys. Seriously, like really warm. Moaning, I'm moaning and moaning. So I haven't really, you know, guys, I watered my plants, came back from work, watered my plants, then went for a little walk, had an iced coffee. Now I'm just making, I just quickly made, because in summer I don't like to cook at all, so I quickly just made some potatoes. Just some quickly, I just cut them, I just put salt and pepper and that's about it. And some soya sauce. So I made these potatoes quickly. And now I'm just making my chapati because I feel a bit hungry. So I've had the chicken wings. So in summer it's all about making my life easy and just quick meals, guys. I don't want to be standing in front of the cooker for such a long time. I feel sorry for people that actually working like takeaways and stuff. Bloody hell, it must be hard for them, really hard for them. But yeah, so just remember something, you know, guys, like, because the heat is so extreme, and I think about like hellfire, you know, Jahannam. Like, I'm gonna put this ayah up in a second on screen. It's you know, I came across it and I felt like it basically you know, it makes me feel that way. Like, can you imagine, like, when it's in Jahannam, we can't take this heat. Can you imagine like being in Jahannam? Oh my god, you can't imagine it, guys. I wouldn't wish that on an enemy. But yeah, so guys, just read that ayah. I want to put it up on screen, and I felt like, you know, it's really important to remember these things as well. So when you go through hardship and stuff, and this is not hardship at all, guys. There are other people that are struggling and everything and living in tents, and when they got like extreme heat and they haven't got fans or anything. So yeah, just think about all the poor guys and people that are struggling, and just do a little pray for them. But yeah, so I'm just gonna pray now and have this meal. I'm just making my chapati before I pray, so I don't have to come back downstairs and pray. I mean, to make the chapati. But yeah. Welcome to Wednesday, guys. Another really hot day. Apparently today is going to be the hottest day. I just made breakfast. You know, I'm off today. I'm only going to pick my sister up later on from dialysis. That's later on at night. So I've got all day at home. I was going to go gym, but I don't think I'm going to go gym today because it's just going to be really, really hot, guys. So I think I'll stay at home. And plus, like, I've got work again tomorrow. So I've got like morning and evening tomorrow, so I might as well just do some house chores. I think I'm gonna put a hair mask on and do all the girly stuff today, because yesterday you obviously stayed with me, but in between making the vlog I was having little naps because it was that hot, guys. And I think it's gonna happen, the same is gonna happen today. And I didn't sleep properly at all last night. So I think, yeah, it's going to be a bit of a hard one today. But yeah, just not used to the heat. Holiday heat's a bit different. Heat in UK is a bit different, guys. It's not the same. It just gets really hot. Even the cold water's hot. What? Cold water's actually hot. But yeah, I'm just going to have breakfast. And then obviously if I do anything exciting around the house today, organising stuff and you know the normal chores, I'll switch on the camera, guys. But please drink enough water, stay hydrated and stay safe, guys, because he is, especially if you're living in Europe, UK, it's really hot at the moment. So yeah, just take care of yourselves. Come out a bit because my nephew's on a school trip, otherwise he would have to walk home because it's so hot. So I've come to pick him up, guys. Look in my car, 39, guys, but it was actually 40 when I got in the car. I couldn't even hold the steering wheel, it was that hot, and the gears as well. I couldn't even change the gears because it was that hot. But yeah, but I'm fortunate to have air conditioning in my car, but there's a lot of people out there that don't have air conditioning. So stay safe, guys. So I'm just gonna pick him up, drop him home quickly, and then go back home because I don't want to be out in this heat, guys. I do not want to be out. Yeah. Oh my god, you bought me a teddy bear. Oh, how cute. Oh, thank you, Ayan. That is so cute. Oh, give me a kiss. Mwah. Thank you for your trip. Yeah. That is fun. Guys, you don't want to see me right now. I've got a hair mask on, face mask on. Obviously I'm gonna have a shower, but I was feeling thirsty while I was waiting for my hair mask and face mask to dry, so just making a mango milkshake or a smoothie, whatever it turns out to be, guys. So I've just got this mango all smashed up, and now I'm just putting some milk in there. I'm not putting no extra sugar because mango is sweet enough anyway, so it doesn't need all the extra sugar. Well, some people enjoy it, but I don't. So that's all I'm putting, just 2 ingredients, guys, milk and mango. Guys, I think it's like a milkshake smoothie. I think it's actually a milkshake. There you go. Simple as that. I've got some left, I'll have that later. I'll pop that in the fridge. Let me just do a taste test quickly. Bismillah. Really good, guys. I need to put some ice in there as well, actually. I'm gonna put some ice. I love my ice cubes, guys, heart shaped as always. Put some ice in there.